All right, welcome back to my Firestick Life channel. Boy, have I got a great video today. We're going to show you an app that you find directly in the Amazon store. There's no need to jailbreak or unlock your Firestick. And with it, we're going to be able to see hundreds of free movies, free TV shows, live TV, and live sports. And there's also an adult section that has parental controls. I'm going to show you what it's all about and how to install it. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you the settings I use to enhance the viewing pleasure. We're going to be back right after this. All right, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, today, this is going to be an exciting video. I'm going to show you how you can get lots of movies, TV shows, live sports, live TV, all for free. And you don't have to worry about jailbreaking or unlocking your Firestick. It's all included within the Amazon Fire Store. So let's take a quick view of it. This is Strix. I've already installed it. Later I'll show you how you can get it yourself. First part you have, you start out, you see movies down at the bottom that's being clicked. We go up, we have our choice of favorites, which I don't have anything. You know how to search, or you go to all. These are the various categories that it has. One thing I want to point out is today's September 21st. You look at that Mulan, that's September 10th. Lost Girls, September 18th. I click on it, and I'm starting to get the links. And as you can see, I've got Real to Brid. There's my first one. I'm not going to bother click on those. I can tell you the picture comes up right away. You do end up with some ads, which, you know, usually a 30-second ad for each show. Okay, then you've got TV shows, similar thing. You've got your favorites, you've got your all, which is just like the other one. So you pick one, Horizon. It gives you your seasons. So you come up, down, you pick on a season, it brings up the episodes for that with the description. You've got an overview that just basically tells what it's about. And then you have a related section which gives you suggestions of other similar type videos or movies or TV shows to watch. And of course you've got favorites and you can search there also. Live TV, excellent. Look at all these channels you've got with live TV. And then of course you got sports TV. Lots of possibilities there. And the adult section, we're not going to show for obvious reasons, but it does have parental control as you've seen. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to uninstall my Strix and reinstall it. Okay, it's uninstalled. What we'll do is go to the icon up the top, go down and search. There it is. We'll bring it up, we'll download it, install it, and open it. As you see, this is straight from the Amazon store. We're not having to jailbreak the Firestick or anything of that nature, or unlock it. got to allow. And then we have to put in this code. 229156. And that, you have to know that code. It's not just any random code. So I'm going to set in 1111 as my parental control. Okay, you can set any random number you want as long as it's not 4 zeros. We'll go up to settings. First thing to do is choose our preferred player. I normally use MX Player, but today we're just going to use Strix. You can hide the adult category if you want to. You can change your PIN. And you can log into Reel to Bridge, which I highly recommend. I recommend everybody that's going to be using Firestick extensively get a Reel to Bridge account. It provides such much better viewing and another level of security. So I'm just putting this in to my phone right now. Okay, folks, that's about it. If you like the information we provided today, please like and subscribe. Like I say, this is an excellent app. Very, very easy to use. It's easy for your friends to learn about. And we'll see you on the next time.